I'm installing matte PPF on this brand new Tesla Model Y. If that's something you want to see, stay tuned. Got it. All right, just picked up some In-N-Out for the fam on my way home. Yeah, day one of this install in the books. Felt pretty good about it. I haven't been to work in like over a week, just because of taking care of the family. They were sick, but we're all good now. So it feels good to be back to work. Tomorrow I'm going back. I'm gonna knock out the doors, and hopefully the rear hatch, and then day 3 finish it up. So stay tuned. I realized yesterday I need some light. It wasn't really good lighting in the garage, and I've been wanting to buy a light, so I bought the little M12 rocket light. Seems small enough to fit in my car, and that's why I got that one. Yeah, stay tuned. Alright, I got that roof rail on. I just use a straight piece, the edge, and then I just stretch it and line it up to that edge because it won't really roll and tuck. I'm about like 2 inches short here, but as I pull and stretch, I'm about ½ inch over now. So, perfect cut. Yeah, I just gotta dry all the edges or let it dry and then roll the top up over here like that. Okay, gonna do the next one. Got my new light right here. Oh, it's awesome right now. So awesome. Just gotta clean it first. So later on tonight, I am going to a going away dinner hangout thing. A friend of mine is moving to Tennessee. Apparently it's better over there. I don't know. About moving sometimes out of California, but I don't know, all my work's over here. It'd be kind of hard to do that. This side right here, the panel gap, it's tighter, so the film has a harder time tucking. So with the fender, I had to cut it a little bit shorter. It didn't tuck as well as the other side. Pretty common with Teslas. I'm sure you Tesla owners know that. Yeah, hopefully this one has enough inside to tuck and stick. All right, what's up everybody? Day 3. I'm gonna knock out this hatch and the whole rear end. I already got started on this piece. But yeah, so this is gonna be the pretty cool, interesting part of the video. This is like a big stretch to do it at one piece, but nonetheless, I will get it done. So stay tuned. was hard. Probably gonna stretch it just a little bit more, but yeah, still got it on there. I just want to go home now. That's it. Just gotta really let it dry before I trim and tuck. I just got the bumpers left, and then I gotta just tidy up any edge or corner that is not down. Hopefully to finish today. I'm so behind on work, so that's why I want to finish today. Got it. Got this edge right here tucked all the way in. Oh, yeah, little bubble. That's all right. Yeah, so it goes all the way to the edge, all the way back. Hides right in there. Just kind of curious if that was gonna work. Got it. Got the one-piece bumper on. Well, at least I'm gonna cement right here so that I can tuck into here more. Just on this one because we're doing gloss to matte. Yeah, everything went on good. This was the last piece, so hopefully I can tidy everything up and go home. Man, that sunset was really nice. Oh, that was really cool. End of the day. Headed home. I'll be back tomorrow to tidy up all my edges and check the corners and everything that's not laying down. And I got to do the mirrors. So stay tuned. Almost done. Day 4. Gonna finish for sure. And move on. I got lots of work just waiting for me. So okay, we are done, and we're gonna get the customer's reaction. First time seeing it. There it is. Yeah, brought a little bubbly to celebrate. There we go. Well, got it. Cheers.